Welcome! In this video, I'll show a few powerful methods for generating random data in Excel. It's perfect for creating sample data sets for practice or demonstration. We'll be populating a table with these columns: date, region, device, unit sold, unit price, and total sales. Let's get started. For the date column, let's say we want random dates between January 1st, 2020 and December 1st, 2025. A great tool for this is the RANDBETWEEN function. The formula is equals RANDBETWEEN. For our first date, we'll use date 2020, 1, 1. And for our end date, date 2025, 12, 31. Hit enter and you'll see a number. That's just Excel's way of storing dates. To fix it, go to the Home tab, open the Number Format drop-down, and select Short Date. Now, if we wanted 100 rows of data, we can drag the fill handle down to row 101. But there's a much faster way by using the RANDARRAY function. Let's create a new column to show that. Note that the values change every time we edit the worksheet. We will fix that later. Equals RANDARRAY. For the number of rows, input 100, comma, number of columns is 1, comma, the minimum value will be the starting date, comma, the maximum will be the ending date. Hit enter, and the entire column fills instantly. I'm going to right-click on A and delete to get rid of the initial date column. Next, for region, we want to randomly pick from north, south, east, or west. A perfect combo here is choose and RANDBETWEEN. We use RANDBETWEEN 1, 4 to generate a random number between 1 and 4 inclusive, and list our 4 regions in quotes. So if RANDBETWEEN gives us a 3, choose will pick the third item in our list, which is east. Enter. Next, double-click the fill handle to copy the formula all the way down. We'll do the exact same thing for the device column. This time, we have 5 options: desktop, laptop, tablet, monitor, and printer. So we'll use choose with RANDBETWEEN 1, 5 and list our 5 devices. Enter. Double-click the fill handle, and you're done. Now for units sold, let's say we expect to sell between 5 and 50 units in any transaction. We could use equals RANDBETWEEN 5, 50. Enter. We can also use RANDARRAY. 100 rows, 1 column, minimum is 5, and maximum is 50. Since units should be all numbers, we enter true or 1 for the last argument here. That's 100 rows, 1 column, a minimum of 5, a maximum of 50, and integers. Enter, and that automatically fills the column. Now for unit price, I've created 2 titles here because I want to show 2 approaches for generating it. We want the price to be based on the device. First, let's use the switch function. This function checks a value and returns a result based on a matching list. We'll switch based on the device in cell C2. If it's desktop, the price is 500. If it's laptop, 700. Tablet, 150. Monitor, 120. And printer, 250. Enter. You can see that laptop is assigned a price of 700. Double-click the fill handle to apply it to the whole column. A second and very cool method is using XLOOKUP. We can build a lookup table right inside the formula. A lookup value is the device in cell C2. For the lookup array, we can create an array on the fly by listing our devices in curly braces. For the return array, we'll do the same thing with their corresponding prices. That is, lookup cell C2. If it's a desktop, return 500. If it's a laptop, return 700, and so on. Enter and copy it down. As you can see, it gives the exact same result. Very flexible. I'll just delete this extra column now. Finally, total sales is a simple calculation using units sold multiplied by unit price. Enter. Double-click the fill handle one last time. Now, one crucial final step. All these formulas are volatile, meaning they will change every time we edit the worksheet. To lock in our data, we need to convert the formulas into static values. Click on the first cell of your data, A1. Press Ctrl-Shift-right arrow to select the top row. Then press Ctrl-Shift-down arrow to select the entire dataset. Copy it with Ctrl-C. Create a new sheet. Right-click in cell A1 and under Paste Options, select Values. The dates are again displayed as general values. I'm going to select the first value, Ctrl-Shift-down arrow to select the entire column. Right-click or go to the Home tab. Click the Number Format drop-down and select Short Date. And that's it. You now have a complete static data set ready for analysis. Thanks for watching.